Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to talk about two major apps that you need to install in your phone in order to grow your affiliate marketing business at a much faster pace, and also like how you can shoot up your business and how you can make thousands of dollars every single month with these two apps in your affiliate marketing business. So please make sure you stay till the end, and also if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin and I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, and also I'm going to document my journey on this channel. So if you're interested, please hit that subscribe button, and also be sure to check out the first link in the description that is Work with Sebastian. So if you're looking to start a serious business, if you're serious enough to take action and you need the right direction in order to grow your business, be sure to check out the first link in the description. So coming back to today's topic, guys, these two apps are very important apps and they play a very crucial role in your business. So if you use them in the right way, so I'm sure like you must have already have these apps in your phone already, but it's just that you are not using it for the right purpose depending on what you're looking for. So I'm not gonna keep it like in the long term, so I'm just gonna talk about two apps, that is Facebook and Messenger. So you must have already have these two apps in your phone, but what we do with Facebook is just like while we are traveling, or like nowadays, like artificial intelligence and these all Facebook and Instagram, all these apps, like they make you glued to your phones. So imagine there are so many people on the planet, so many people are, everybody has a smartphone now and everybody has the Facebook account or an Instagram account. So many people have, and everybody, what they will just do is they will just go to Facebook and start scrolling, and they follow some political pages depending on their interests, like sports, politics, and many others, of cat videos, entertainment, whatnot. So they start following and they start scrolling, because I'm one amongst them. So I'm just talking from everyone's perspective. So everyone are glued to their phone. So in order to grow your business like at a much faster pace, like instead of watching a cat video, so if you are a marketer, so you want to grow your business much faster, so what you can do is you can create a profile that is like specialized whatever offer that you're offering. So before I actually talk about this, I'm going to cover one more point, that is, before having these two apps, in order to make them work for you, you need to have a very solid product with you. So it could be your own product, that is your own coaching program or a consulting program, or it could be your own course that can actually help people, and or if you don't have a product, you can be affiliate to a very good product, and I recommend like that product should be used by you. That will actually give much more conviction to the people, and it's not going to make them justice. Like if you haven't used them, you haven't purchased by yourself, how you can go ahead and sell it to others, especially with affiliate marketing. So even it works with your own products as well. So if you have that solid product and you believe that that product is gonna help certain group of people, that is your niche. It could be related to a real estate coaching, or it could be affiliate marketing, it could be drop shipping, or any type of business. Like you need to have a solid product. All right, it could be digital or maybe physical, I don't know, depending on your interest. So once you have that product, you must be fully aware what type of audience, like once they have this product, they can actually go ahead and that product is going to solve them. So once you're crystal clear with your product, what you can do is, and once you're aware about your audience, what you can do is you can go ahead and join Facebook groups related to that particular product. For example, if you have a sales funnel creation course or email marketing course, you can just search Facebook by sales funnel or something like that. You can get ton of groups and go ahead and join those groups and see like what kind of activity is going on that group for at least for a week. So that will you get an idea like whether that is a legit group or all spammers are in that group. So you don't want to spam in any of the groups, and it's not ideal, and it's because you're going to get kicked out very soon if you do that. So be sure like analyze that group, like whether that is a legit group and what kind of people are there in that group. So once you have picked, again, slash out any Facebook group that are like looks spammy or something like that, and then pick up your 3 groups and start. And once now this is the step. Then next one thing you're going to do is you're going to optimize your Facebook profile. What I meant by this is like simply if you have everything related to politics on your feed, just undo them, everything undo. Like if you maybe it could be you can show your personality, like if you are a nature lover, you can have a photo, that is absolutely fine. If you're providing massive value, if you're typing something like that is fine, but just don't put anything unrelated, like non-related things like politics and whatnot, like so many negatives, because that's gonna create controversies and arguments. Don't engage in such things. Just keep your profile clean in your timeline, and you have a nice cover photo, and don't design a cover photo that looks spammy, like go click here. So just maybe hire someone from Fiverr, just to pay some $10, he's gonna create a nice cover photo for you and have a crystal clear call to action in that cover photo. So you must have already seen people doing this, but I'm just iterating this because many people still don't know it. And once you keep this profile clean, and you're gonna start sharing some valuable content on your Facebook profile related to that product. I mean, for a free value. It could be like you can go Facebook Live, you can create a post about that topic. And once you do that, and you have already joined the Facebook group, and you already have the product, and you know your target audience, and you're already providing massive free value on your profile. Now what you're gonna do is you can go ahead and Facebook groups. Let's say if somebody has a question related to something and you know the answer, so stand out from in the comment section, like go ahead and provide massive value to that person for free. So what happens that, like once that person gets help from you, this is not like, again, don't think like you're being greedy, like you want to attract people and you want to sell. That is what we are doing, and that is not at all unethical, because you have a solid product that can actually help that person. You're just a mediator that you who are acting in order to deliver that product to them. So don't be apologetic in any of that way. So once you have that product, like once you provide a massive value, the person who consumed your content in the comment section or whatever type of engagement that you have, so he's going to come and look at your profile, and he sees whatever type of content you are creating. Trust me guys, many people will go to your profile if you have provided enough information or enough value to them. So this is what I have experienced. Even I personally, if I ask a question, if somebody provides me a massive value or appreciates the work I am doing, or maybe it could be anything, so I go and check their profile. It's a human psychology. So many people will do that. And once they come to your profile, maybe they could add a friend request to you, or you can add them only if they provide approval, something like they engage with you. They are already aware, because if you start sending requests to nowadays, like even if I post a single post, I get unknown requests all the time. I don't even know them, so I'm just gonna reject them. You don't want to do that. You don't want to annoy people with sending a lot of friend requests. What you can do is, like once they start engaging with you, you send a request. There is 99.9% I'm going to guarantee that they're going to accept, because you have already provided massive value to them. So once they accept that request, so you can again you can create your Facebook group. That's a different story. I'm going to talk about it later. So on your profile, you're going to produce daily content or provide massive value upfront for free, and that person, whoever is become friend, like he's gonna see that your post, like you're providing so much value for free, and he's going to go to that process. Like this is your own kind of sales funnel I'm talking here. This is not some sort of automation. I know this is going to take some time, but trust me, this is one of the best way that people are literally making 60,000 per month with this method. So even I have started this method very recently. I haven't seen much results, but definitely I'm taking consistent action. So I'm just sharing with you guys. So once you start doing that, like the person is going to consume a lot of content from you, and he become much aware about you, and the trust between you and him like becomes much closer. And in order to once the time is right, like once he has consumed enough content, you can pitch your offer, like, hey, I have come up with this, so like I believe this can help you. And you can, before even offer, you can pitch your offer, like you can ask them, like I have these things in mind, like what things like do you like that can actually help you believe. So you have added so many people on your friend list, and they're gonna react to it, like, okay, I would like to have this in my sorry. So everything they're gonna, once you get that approval, you can come up with that offer, and once you pitch that, the conversions rates are going to be very much higher at this stage. And also once you start engaging with people, if you have a high ticket product, basically I want you to do this step. Like you can start sending a message once they are your friend. Once you start their message, like they are gonna get in touch, and maybe you can have a call with them. Like that is gonna create much personal touch with them, and it becomes much easier to sell a product, especially with high ticket products, guys. So these are simple things. Like if you haven't noticed it, this is the thing that you want to follow. Like this literally takes no money for you. Like this is a kind of sales funnel literally, because you're providing massive value upfront for free. That is a lead magnet, person coming to your profile, he became a prospect now. Then again you're producing free content that is actually you're pre-educating about your product as a free thing. And once the time is right, you're going to ask for approval, or maybe you can pitch your offer, and maybe you can add personal touch by jumping on a phone call. And once that is done, like you can go ahead and you want to make that sale. So that's how this works. So I hope you got value from this video, guys. And if you need any help with your online business, be sure to check out the first link in the description, where this method is explicitly mentioned in one of the separate module. Be sure to check it out if you need more help. So I'm sure you got value from this video, guys. And if you, again, I'm gonna talk, like if you're getting massive value from me, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.